gentlemen, on behalf of JCI City Plus and the entire team of the ABC of Stock Exchange Investment, I would like to welcome you all to our workshop. This project has been a great experience in terms of facing challenges, finding solutions, leading people, and believe me or not, it was when I met the major stakeholders of this project that I realized how good my negotiation skills were.
In our progression to join the League of High-Income Countries, in line with the National Vision 2030, increasing financial literacy of our citizens is a prerequisite. This workshop at the ABC of Stock Exchange promotes inclusive and sustainable economic growth by offering a free platform to increase the financial knowledge of each and every one of you, irrespective of your background.
It's a great pleasure to be here. I wanted to thank, first of all, JCI for giving us this opportunity to organize this event together, to sponsor this event. I'm really pleased to see, on a Saturday morning, a lot of people in the room here. I would expect, when I was talking to Jivesh and Elvina when they organized that, I told them, on a Saturday you would expect people to come here. But having a lot of people here shows how much you're all here, not only for the L'Apéro venue, but also to know what's going on in the stock market.
Good morning. I'm really honored to have been invited by JCI City Plus to participate in this investment-related event, which promotes financial literacy in Mauritius. As Kevin mentioned earlier, it's encouraging to see such a large crowd, and I'd be very happy if all of you ask questions. So do not hesitate during the presentation. It's not a lecture, so it's more interactive, and I'll be happy to listen to any of your comments.
Thank you MCB Capital Markets, Brokerage and Investment for being our main sponsor on this event. Mr. Rangasamy, Mr. Siam, Mr. Chairman, we are honored to have you on board on this project. Thank you, the Stock Exchange of Mauritius, for being our long-term partner. Mr. Beni Madhu, Mr. Obilak, we appreciate your ongoing support. We would like to recognize Axis Stock Broking for being also a sponsor on this event. Mr. Chankaiko, Mrs. Coriolis, thank you for placing your trust in us and embarking on this journey with us. Mr. Imrit Hamtoa was so grateful for your invaluable guidance and support on this project. It's been an absolute pleasure having you as a trainer and moderator. We would like to express our sincere appreciation to Mr. Sharuna Ramdas for being our panelist and sharing valuable insights on investment.